Now let's start with again laser. Now these are the very important points of meeting the three requirements for generation of laser source. First is population inversion. What is population inversion? Now, when the material is in the thermal equilibrium condition, the population ratio is governed by the Boltzmann distribution law according to the following equation. N2 upon N1 is equal to e to the power minus E2 minus E1 upon KT. It means that the population N2 at the excited level E2 will be far smaller than the population N1 at the level E1. The condition in which there are more atoms in the lower energy level and relatively lesser number of atoms in the higher energy states or level is called normal condition or the thermal equilibrium as shown in figure. Thus, under thermal equilibrium, N1 is very greater than N2. Now, see in this diagram, in first case, it shows the normal condition or normal state where at thermal equilibrium the condition is N2 is very less than N1. Means the number of atoms in lower energy level are higher than the number of atoms in higher energy level is less. That is here N1 and here that is N2. Means N1 is very greater than N2. And now in second case, this is the inward state. That is non-equilibrium condition. In this condition, N2 is very greater than N1. Means the number of atoms is higher energy level is more than the number of atoms in the lower energy level. To achieve a high percentage of stimulation emission, a majority of the atoms should be at the higher energy level than the lower energy level. We may somehow enhance the number of atoms in the excited level such that the population ratio N2 upon N1 momentarily increase without change in the temperature. This is a non-equilibrium condition and is known as inverted population condition or population inversion. Population inversion is the non-equilibrium condition of the material in which the population of the upper energy level N2 momentarily increased or exceeds the population of the lower energy level N1 as shown in figure, last figure in B section. That is N2 is very greater than N1. From equation 31, it is seen that N2 can exceed N1 only if the temperature were negative. In view of this, the state of population inversion is sometimes referred to as the negative temperature state. It does not mean that we can attain the temperature below the absolute zero. The terminology underlines the fact that the state of population inversion is a non-equilibrium state. It should be borne in the mind that the population inversion is attained at the normal temperature. The system shown in figure 10 has two energy levels in thermal equilibrium. Photoabsorption and the emission processes takes place side by side, but because N1 is greater than N2, the system absorbs the photons rather than emit the photons. Now suppose that the system is supplied with the energy from an external source till N2 exceeds N1. Then the system is said to have attained the state of population inversion. The population inversion took place between the energy level E2 and E1. In this diagram, the amplification of the light wave in a medium with the population inversion, input wave, and here the amplifying medium is N2 is greater than N1 as shown. Okay. When the system is in the population inversion state, a few randomly emitted photons trigger stimulation emission of the photons, and those stimulated photons induce more stimulated emission and so on. Consequently, light get amplified and a cascade of the light is produced. However, in this process, atom from E2 level makes to downward transition as soon as the population at the lower level becomes equal to or larger than at the excited level. Population inversion comes to end. Energy is again to be supplied to the system to take into a state of population inversion. The non-equilibrium condition is attained by the employing pumping technique to transfer large number of atoms from lower energy level to higher energy level. Next is metastable states. What are the metastable states? An atom can be excited to a higher level by supplying the energy to it. Normally excited atoms have short lifetime and release their energy in matter of nanoseconds through the spontaneous emission. It means that the atom do not stay for long at the excited state to be stimulated. As a result, even though the pumping agent continuously raises the atoms to excited level, they undergo spontaneous transition and rapidly return to the lower energy level. Population inversion cannot be established under such circumstances. In order to establish the condition of population inversion, the excited atoms are required to wait at the upper energy level till a large number of atoms accumulate at that level. In other words, it is increased or it is necessarily that the excited state has a longer lifetime, a metastable state in such a state because of restriction imposed by the conservation of angular momentum. An electron excited to a metastable state cannot return to the ground state by emitting a photon, as it generally expected to do. Such a state in which a single photon emission is possible has unusually a long time and called the metastable states. Atoms excited to the metastable states remain excited for an appreciable time, which is of the order of 10 to the power minus 6 to 10 to the power minus 3 seconds, and 10 to the power minus 3 to minus 6, 10 to the power 3 and 10 to the power 6 times the lifetime of the ordinary energy levels. Therefore, the metastable states allow accumulation of large number of excited atoms at the levels. The metastable states population can exceed the population at the lower level and establish the condition of population inversion in the long Lysin medium. It would be impossible to create the state of the population inversion without a metastable state. Metastable state can be readily obtained in the crystal system containing impurity of atoms. These levels lie in the forbidden band gap of the host crystal. Population inversion readily takes place at the lifetimes of the level are large. And secondly, there is no competition in filling of these levels as they are localized levels. There could be no population inversion and hence no laser action if metastable states do not exist. Okay, thank you.